If you don't like the idea of being stuck in financial stress but still want to pursue your passions, then SAVE-TEY Ventures is your answer. Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, where you have the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about making ends meet. At SAVE-TEY Ventures, we believe everyone deserves this life. Financial independence isn't just about having more money, it's about peace of mind, security, and freedom. It's about having your savings and investments generate enough income to cover your expenses, so you can focus on what truly matters. We call it good success, and we're here to help you achieve it every step of the way. From disciplined saving and strategic investing, to community support and professional advice, SAVE-TEY Ventures provides all the tools you need. By promoting financial literacy and offering disruptive financial solutions, we empower you to take control of your future. Imagine a future where you're not just surviving but thriving, where you wake up every day excited about the possibilities. Join us on this journey to financial independence. Visit our website to find out more about how we can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's make financial stress a thing of the past and embrace a future full of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the SAVE-TEY Ventures family.